I wake up. Same bunk. Same time. The station resets. But I don't. The rest of the crew, Jahi, Johnny, Aman, Rafi, are gone. Their rooms untouched. Their tools in place. Their voices only recordings.
Hard to put into words.
Then there's all the phenomena where space and time have stretched and teared. It is all connected somehow. My K9 unit is the only thing that keeps track. It holds the pieces to a story I still don't understand. And until I do, I'll wake up again. And again. And again.